This churn model shipped to production looking 85% accurate. It's basically worthless and nothing caught it. No test, no monitor, no alert. Two of its features come from the refund data that only exists after a customer has already churned. That's target leakage, and you can only see it in the lineage. This is Sentinel. It audits ML models through Data Hub using the same protocol Claude or Cursor used to talk to tools. Let's run it. First, it reads every dataset's plain description and reasons about it. Watch, it decides on its own that refund data is recorded after the outcome and tags it. That's discovery. Nothing was flagged for it in advance. Then it proves the failure by walking the lineage graph, two issues on churn predictor, the leakage plus a stale upstream table, and it finds the same two problems on a second model sharing the feature store completely independently. It doesn't just alert, it writes back into Data Hub, tags the model at risk, rewrites its description with the findings, and links an incident memo. The next engineer inherits the context instead of starting from zero. And it generates the actual fix, a real pull request against the DPT project that removes the leaky feature, not a dashboard, a mergeable diff a human can review. This only works because Data Hub has the full lineage, dataset, feature, model, deployment, all connected. You simply cannot catch this without that graph. Building it, I gave two things back to Data Hub's own project, a new ML lineage skill and documentation for gaps in the tools that nobody had written down yet. Sentinel catches silent ML failures before they ever reach production on every model automatically. It's all open source and it runs with one command. Thanks for watching.